Hello friends, in this video we will explore the continent Africa. It is the second largest continent in the world. We will start with its location. The first important thing to know about any continent is to know about its latitudinal and longitudinal stretch. About Africa, we will see that its latitudinal stretch is from 35 degrees south to 37 degrees north, and its longitudinal stretch is from 17 degrees west to 52 degrees east. I will show you the most interesting and second important point about Africa's location. The three important lines, Tropic of Cancer, Equator and Tropic of Capricorn. All these three lines are passing through only one continent, that is Africa. You won't see any other continents from where all these three lines are passing together. Third point, equator, it divides almost into two parts. So most of the part of Africa falls under tropical or torrid zone. Fourth point about its location is you can see 0 degree longitude passing from Africa. It means this prime meridian divides into two hemispheres, and most part of Africa lies in the eastern hemisphere, whereas few part of Africa lies in the western hemisphere. The fifth important point about Africa's location is that this continent is surrounded by water bodies from all the four directions. In this map it is clear. You can see that on the north Mediterranean Sea is there. On the west of Africa Atlantic Ocean is there, and on the east Indian Ocean, whereas on the south we can see Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Southern Ocean. All these three oceans are merging. Now I would like you to draw your attention on the sixth important point about Africa's location. That is Africa's relation with its neighboring continents like Europe and Asia. Here I will start from this point. You can see Strait of Gibraltar that separates the continent of Africa from the continent of Europe. The interesting thing that you should know about Europe and Africa, that these two continents are apart only about 14 kilometers at this point. Now come, let's go and see the Red Sea. This is a narrow stretch of water between Africa and Asia. Means Red Sea separates Africa from the continent of Asia. Just opposite, the interesting point is you can see Isthmus of Suez connects these two continents. The last point about Africa's location is that although you can see the coastline is almost straight, but there are few gulfs. In the west you can see Gulf of Guinea, and in the northeast you can see Gulf of Aden. After location, let us explore the political divisions of Africa. At present, Africa has 54 countries, Algeria being the largest one, whereas Seychelles is the smallest one. In this map, all the countries are shown with the help of different colors. Now we will learn about the physical features of the continent Africa. Physical features such as mountains, plateaus, rivers, lakes, deserts and islands. The Sahara Desert. You can see it covers almost 1/3 part of the continent. It is the largest hot desert in the world. Moving towards south, we will see there is another desert, Kalahari Desert. Namib Desert is found in the southwest part of the continent. After deserts, we are moving towards the islands. Madagascar Island. It is Africa's largest island, separated from the continent by the Mozambique Channel. Another one is the group of islands known as Zanzibar. Both these are found in the Indian Ocean.